Time to explore the most largest jungles in the world. These lands stretch for long miles. Let's reveal the 10 largest jungles and visit explore shop link in bio. First, Amazon Rainforest, stretching across 9 vibrant South American nations, stands as the world's largest and most awe-inspiring jungle, a living labyrinth that covers an astonishing 5.5 million square kilometers. This immense expanse of green is so vast that it's often called the lungs of the Earth, breathing life into our planet and supporting countless forms of life, both seen and unseen. Beneath its endless, interwoven canopy, sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor, creating a mysterious world of shadows and filtered light. Rivers, both mighty and gentle, snake their way through this emerald sea, carving paths that sustain the forest and the creatures within. The air is thick with humidity, and every breath feels alive with the scent of earth and growing things. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, is so wide in places that it seems more like an inland sea. This mighty river system produces 1/5 of the world's fresh water, nourishing not only the forest but also millions of people and animals. The rainforest's vastness even shapes weather patterns, sending moisture-laden clouds across continents and influencing rainfall as far away as North America and Africa. Within this vibrant ecosystem, jaguars silently prowl the riverbanks, their spotted coats blending into the dappled light. Pink river dolphins leap playfully in the winding waters, while sloths move slowly and deliberately through the branches above. The Amazon is home to an astonishing array of wildlife, from tiny, colorful frogs to towering anacondas and flocks of brilliant macaws. Scientists and explorers are continually amazed by the Amazon's secrets. Nearly every year, new species of plants, insects, and animals are discovered here, a testament to its unrivaled biodiversity. The forest is a living laboratory, holding answers to questions we have yet to ask, and offering medicines, foods, and inspiration for generations to come. The Amazon acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing billions of tons of greenhouse gases and playing a crucial role in stabilizing the global climate. Its trees and plants store carbon, helping to slow the pace of climate change and protect the delicate balance of our world's atmosphere. Yet, this irreplaceable ecosystem faces grave threats. Deforestation, raging fires, and the relentless advance of climate change are destroying vast swathes of forest each year. Logging, agriculture, and mining leave scars on the land, endangering countless species and disrupting the cycles that sustain life far beyond the Amazon's borders. The fate of the Amazon is a sobering reminder of our responsibility as stewards of the earth. Its future depends on the choices we make today, choices that will echo for generations. Protecting this mighty giant is not just about saving a forest, it is about preserving the very heart of our planet. Second, the Congo rainforest, stretching across the vast expanse of Central Africa, is a living, breathing wonder of the natural world. Covering more than 500 million acres, it forms the second largest tropical rainforest on Earth, surpassed only by the Amazon. Yet in many ways its secrets and stories are just as profound, and its importance just as vital. This immense green heart beats at the center of Africa, its dense canopy sheltering a world that feels almost untouched by time. The Congo's rivers twist and turn through the jungle, nourishing a landscape that is both ancient and ever-changing. Within these shadowy forests, life flourishes in abundance. Forest elephants quietly roam beneath the trees, while families of gorillas and chimpanzees move through the undergrowth, each species playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The Congo is home to some of the world's most iconic and endangered wildlife, making it a sanctuary for biodiversity. Over 10,000 plant species thrive here, from towering hardwoods to delicate orchids, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. These plants not only provide shelter and food for countless creatures, but also help regulate the planet's climate by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. Hundreds of unique animals, from the elusive okapi to vibrant birds and rare amphibians, call this rainforest home. Each creature, no matter how small, is a vital thread in the intricate web of life that makes the Congo so extraordinary. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples like the Baka have lived in harmony with the forest, drawing on its resources for food, medicine, and shelter. Their deep knowledge of the land is passed down through generations, forming a unique bond between people and nature. The Mbuti, another of the Congo's ancient forest communities, have developed intricate traditions and survival. This vibrant ecosystem faces mounting threats. Logging, mining, and poaching are carving away at the forest, endangering not only its wildlife, but also the people who depend on it. Each lost tree and hunted animal brings the Congo closer to a tipping point. Yet, despite these challenges, the Congo remains a place of hope and resilience. Communities, conservationists, and nature itself are working together to heal the land. The Congo rainforest stands as a powerful reminder of nature's ability to recover. If we choose to protect it, its green heart will continue to beat for generations to come. Third, the Daintree Rainforest, a breathtaking expanse of green that is one of the oldest living ecosystems on the planet. This remarkable forest has thrived for over 135 million years, surviving dramatic changes in climate and geography. Walking beneath its ancient canopy is like stepping back in time, into a living museum that predates even the mighty Amazon. Here, every leaf and vine tells a story of resilience and adaptation, making the Daintree a true natural wonder. The forest floor is carpeted with ancient ferns, their delicate fronds unfurling in the filtered sunlight. Towering trees, some as old as the forest itself, stretch skyward, their roots weaving through the rich, dark soil. The lush undergrowth is alive with the sounds of insects and birds, creating a vibrant, ever-changing tapestry that echoes the age of dinosaurs. Every step reveals new wonders, from moss-covered logs to the intricate patterns of lichen on tree trunks. The Daintree is home to an astonishing array of unique species found nowhere else on Earth. The brilliant blue Ulysses butterfly flutters among the leaves, its wings flashing in the dappled light. The elusive cassowary, a prehistoric-looking bird, roams the dense undergrowth, playing a vital role in spreading seeds and maintaining the forest's delicate balance. These remarkable creatures are living links to the rainforest's distant past, reminders of a world long gone. Winding rivers and tangled mangroves snake through the heart of the Daintree, providing vital habitat for saltwater crocodiles and countless species of fish. Above, the dense canopy shelters rare bats and brilliantly colored birds, each adapted to life in this lush, complex environment. The rainforest pulses with life at every level, from the forest floor to the highest branches, forming a web of interdependence that has endured for millions of years. Yet, despite its ancient strength, the Daintree faces growing threats. Increased tourism brings both appreciation and pressure, as more people seek to experience its wonders. Invasive plant species disrupt the natural balance, while the impacts of climate change, rising temperatures, shifting rainfall, and extreme weather pose new challenges to the forest's survival. Even small changes can have far-reaching effects in such a delicate ecosystem. The future of the Daintree rainforest depends on the respect, care, and stewardship of all who visit, study, and protect it. Conservationists, local communities, and visitors alike play a crucial role in preserving this ancient green jewel for cool, lush realm of mist and ancient trees. Towering alurse trees, some over 3,000 years old, stand as silent sentinels. The world's smallest deer, the pudu, and the endangered Darwin's fox are among its hidden treasures. This forest links species to distant relatives in Australia and New Zealand, a relic of ancient Gondwana. Logging, agriculture, and invasive species threaten its unique biodiversity, but conservation efforts persist. The Valdivian Rainforest stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature's green embrace. Fifth, Southeast Asia rainforests spanning Borneo, Sumatra, and the Malay Peninsula are among the oldest and most diverse on Earth. Orangutans, Sumatran tigers, and pygmy elephants inhabit these dense canopies, while rare orchids bloom overhead. These forests shelter countless unique species, many found nowhere else. Palm oil plantations, logging, and poaching have devastated vast tracts, pushing many species to the brink. Yet conservationists and local communities fight to protect what remains. The survival of these ancient jungles depends on the choices we make today. Sixth, the Tongass National Forest, stretching along Alaska's coastline, is the world's largest temperate rainforest. Towering spruce and hemlock trees, salmon-filled rivers, and glacier-carved valleys define this wild sanctuary. Bald eagles soar above, while brown bears fish for salmon in crystalline streams. The Tongass is a vital refuge for wildlife and a crucial corridor for migrating birds. For the Tlingit, Haida, and Tsimshian peoples, it is home and heritage. Protecting the Tongass means safeguarding wildlife, culture, and climate stability. Seventh, the mountains of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar meet the plains. The eastern Himalayas rainforest unfurls. This biodiversity hotspot is home to red pandas, clouded leopards, and over 10,000 plant species. Monsoon rains sustain forests that harbor hundreds of mammals and birds. Steep terrain creates a patchwork of habitats, fostering rapid evolution and adaptation. Local communities practice sustainable agriculture, living in harmony with the land. Conservation efforts strive to preserve this priceless, green veil for future generations. 8th rainforests of New Guinea, the world's second-largest island, are a treasure trove of biodiversity. Over 13,000 plant species and hundreds of unique animals thrive here, including birds of paradise and tree kangaroos. The region's dramatic landscapes support a stunning variety of life and cultures. Logging, mining, and agriculture threaten this extraordinary ecosystem. Its future depends on balancing development with conservation and honoring indigenous wisdom. 9th Madagascar rainforests are a world apart, shaped by isolation and time. Lemurs, chameleons, and orchids fill these forests with life found nowhere else. Each species is a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. The forests support local communities with food, medicine, and livelihoods. Deforestation and illegal logging threaten these unique wonders, pushing many species toward extinction. Yet Madagascar's rainforests endure, a testament to nature's resilience. 10th, the Sinharaja Forest Reserve is a jewel of biodiversity and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. More than half of Sri Lanka's endemic bird species are found here, alongside rare amphibians and butterflies. The dense canopy creates a world of perpetual twilight, nourishing life at every level. Local communities depend on its resources, guided by traditional knowledge for sustainable use. Despite threats, Sinharaja's survival is a testament to the power of conservation. Let's quickly recap the largest jungles and their vital role in our planet's health. These forests face unprecedented challenges, but their survival depends on our choices. By supporting conservation and learning from indigenous wisdom, together, we can safeguard the extraordinary diversity of life in these forests. What are your thoughts about jungles?